Hello guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Kingsway ni Kim. Kakain kami sa, anong pangalan? Savio Volpe. Savio Volpe. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya na klase ng restaurant. Nakita lang namin today. Pero,
Doon kami kakain ng dinner.
let's go.
Dito may salon, Livio, spa. Uy, spa! May spa. And then, ito yung bloom room. May dalawa kaming plant na galing dito. Oo, si Dwight at saka si Annalise. Uy, tingnan mo, ang laki ng ano nila. Tetra.
Ayan na, oo.
Wow.
Calamansi.
Pero remember, hindi ko nagustuhan yung soil nila dyan.
Pinalitan mo.
Yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung baka sa soil yun. Pero okay naman siya nung binili. Pero may...
Dito na kami kakain pala.
You want?
Would you like those to start, or do you want me to bring those in? But then make that your last there.
This is the prosciutto de Parma.
Prosciutto di Parma.
Was it good? Yes, it was good.
Okay, so we ordered
What is that?
thank you so much. Oh, so cute.
Cute. I don't know. This one is the pork chop.
Pork chop. This
And
one is a
then-
rainbow carrot.
Rainbow carrots.
And that one is
Pappardelle. Yeah. This one is so good. Really good. This one is really good also, but really, really big. We didn't expect it to be that big, but it's pork and it's really soft.
this one is beef.
Oh yeah, mine is beef. That beef is good. So this one also was really good, but I think we're taking this to go because we're so full.
Hindi namin inakala na marami pala yung servings nila.
Yeah.
And also, nag-order ako ng red.
Hindi, Sauvignon lang sinabi
Yun
niya.
lang sinabi ko, pero hindi ko inakala na bibigyan nila ako ng white.
Anyways,
But that's okay.
yeah. Okay, you wanna open it?
Oh,
Osteria. Did you like that? Did you like it?
I did you?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.
I'm so full. We got takeout. There's 2 takeouts because, and they're heavy, guys. Like so heavy.
Siguro kung kayo yung tao na hindi masyadong makain talaga.
Siguro order one and then and then just share. Wow, so pretty. Ayan, may cherry blossoms yung taas ng ni Tonyo. Be from this tree. Yung restaurant pala na yun, nakalagay sa internet that it's the 14th best restaurant sa Canada. And it was, bakit tayo dito ang putik? And it's pretty good actually. Tingnan niyo ito. Itong car na to. Grabe yung ulan sa kanya. Tingnan mo yung car. Grabe oh. Okay, so the street that we're on, where we're gonna buy the corn dog, is called Robson Street, and there are a lot of restaurants here. Oh, that's the hop on, hop off. Dumadaan din pala sila dito. But yeah, there's a lot of good places to eat here. Parang sunod-sunod siya. Dami yung pagpipilian. So kung nag-visit kayo and then mapadpad kayo dito, I mean, naghahanap kayo ng kakainan, dito kayo pumunta. Tumatawag si Kat. I don't know why. So, I'm gonna pick up. Okay, so, tinanong niya lang ako kung ano yung gusto kong sauce. Kasi pag, nag-ano sila ng sauce. Naglalagay on top ng sauce. Anyways, hintayin na lang natin si Kat na bumalik. Because it's been maybe like 5-10 minutes, and hopefully she's here soon because I'm kind of hungry.
So, nasa, tayo ngayon guys, Denman and Robson. Pupuntahan natin yung famous na, nila, Korean style hotdog. Okay, papakita ko. Kumuha kami ng gamsong and ramen chip hotdog. Antayin natin na tawagin yung number natin dito. Anything else? That's everything, please. Thank you. Yan yung menu nila. Ito yung sauce. Wow! Hi! So, ito na yung na-order natin.
Wow! Did you video there?
Yeah.
May video ka?
Oo.
Nung nag-order ka?
Hindi. Pero, in-order ko na nila.
Ano kinuha mo?
Ramen. Gusto ko sana nito kaso
Ano?
sabi mo mas gutom mo to.
Pwede naman tayo mag-share. Anong nasa labas? Nasa labas ng ramen?
Anong nasa labas?
I mean, nasa loob ng ramen.
Beef and chicken.
Oh.
This one is beef.
Okay. Ito tayo ngayon. Try natin tong sugar yummy. Yeah. I don't know what it is yet. But we'll see. So here's the purple rice yogurt. I just got the most famous one or most popular, so pretty good. Okay.
Wow.
Let's try it.
Good?
Oh, it's yogurt.
Can I...
Okay, so thank you for watching this vlog. This was, kung gusto niyo ng yogurt, 10 out of 10 siya for you guys. Pero if you're looking for like to be refreshed,
Huwag ito.
huwag ito. Hindi namin alam yung sa iba kasi may mga mango flavor sila, avocado.
Pero,
Baka masarap.
kung nag-yogurt kayo, yun yung lasa plus lang mga flavorings.
Plus yung topping. Yung topping nito, purple rice. And guys, literal na rice.
Mabusog na kami nito.
Dapat ang dinner namin ngayon, McDo.
Dapat nga lechon.
But anyways.
Muna lang yun.
Anyways. Uh,
Ah,
Uh, thank you all for watching.
Thank you all for watching. Ingat kayo lahat. Bye-bye.
Bye. 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 B Ay, wait lang. Hindi natin nirate yung ano. Savio Volpe. Ikaw, nagustuhan mo ba
The Savio
Savio?
para sa akin masarap siya. Binaon ko pa siya. Hindi yun kahapon. Nagbaon ako ngayon. Pero hindi na siya masarap kung wala na yung ibang sauce. Kailangan siya fresh. Pero masarap.
Actually, yun yung first na pasta na nagustuhan ko pa dito sa Vancouver. Yung noodles niya pala, guys, yung doon, handmade. And they make it in the restaurant. So, pretty cool. And then, the corn dogs.
Corn dogs. Well, 8 out of 10 sa akin kanina. Yung ramen.
Yeah, mine was 9.5. And then this one, actually, ngayon, mas nagugustuhan ko na siya. And every time I sip, I'm like, oh, that is good. I like it. Siguro maganda to sa umaga.
Ginawang
Hindi kasi
breakfast.
diba pag yogurt, umaga. Lactobacillus.
True.
Anyway, I rate this 7 out of 10. Pero pretty good. I would come back and try the other flavors because I think they would be good.
Ito, ako 7 din.
Okay, well, that's it for today. That's it for this vlog. Thank you all for watching.
See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.